That one? I don't know. Do you want to?
I mean, it's either that or the pink comforter.
I'm not bringing my comforter.
It's mine.
It's mine. You can bring that. Why are you going to sit on the ground? I thought you were bringing chairs.
Grandma said bring everything.
If you're going to bring a chair, you don't need to sit on the ground. But I would bring that if you and Gabe want to share it.
Why don't I bring... Okay. So if we don't sit on the ground...
We're going to the drive-in. You ever been? No. I've never been either. First timers.
Is that recording me?
Alright. So I'm going to video today and tomorrow, 4th of July weekend-ish kind of stuff. So, all of the things that we do this weekend, you all will get to see on my channel. Say bye. Bye.
Are you taking a picture of us or you? Or video?
Me.
It's a stupid video. She did this at our house too.
As long as she
Said bye,
has...
and I said just like that.
Well, she needs to talk about her Target socks.
I don't even get socks from Target.
You said that they were your favorite
If
socks
I
are
could
from
live at
Target.
Target, I could if I looked.
Guys, I don't have your card done, and I probably will end up not being able to write anything in it, so you will get it. But
At some point, it's alright.
yes, this weekend has not been the best. There's the health privacy.
the movie illegally?
No?
Your birthday's not tomorrow.
Joey wanted
Nancy, Grandma's friend Nancy.
Look at the previews.
Do you want me to get my blanket out so you can lay it on?
Do you want to see that Ashley's taking a video of you?
Stop. Oops, sorry.
Hashtag YouTube famous.
Don't do it again.
Well, don't hold it like that again. My hair looks like a...
Okay, I don't know what that little chip.
Oh, it's a video.
It's always a video.
Don't notice.
I don't know.
Why can't I zoom now? Yeah, I could before.
Can't anymore.
Came on Snapchat.
Somebody touched a button.
Sorry, I have to go to gas.
Yeah, Kylie, you better. It's almost filled. Where'd Joey go?
We are going to Animal Adventure today for our 4th of July extravaganza.
Turn it off. I don't want to be on that. I'm not kidding. Shut it off.
I can, and you're not in it this time. I'm trying to see if we can get Kylie in there. Oh, she's way back there. Right up there.
That's good.
She's pumping some gas. Okay, bye.
She's not. Why is my face doing that? No.
Okay, you got a flower crown. It's a different thing.
I don't got the trip. 50 hours. I don't know how to get that.
Look at my phone. It'll make you have a frowny face. Buggy, where are we?
Honestly, because you haven't ridden enough. We did bring a hat. Do you want your hat?
Here we are, Animal Adventure. Kylie's gonna get irritated with me by the end of the day. What? What else?
What's in there? It's supposed to be the warthog, but I think it's too hot for the warthog. Must be his nap time. Yeah.
I didn't hit him. Like he thinks that you're gonna feed him more.
He's hungry.
Oh no.
Whoa.
You want to feed it something?
He's so cute. Hey! His tongue. He got my fingers a little bit.
There's a station up there to. Why don't you show you something?
Don't just give him the whole cup. Come on.
They're animals. They're not supposed to smell good. Joey, seriously? Every time. It's an antelope.
Here's the baby pig. Snort at them. Sit down, hurry up.
Why do you record everything?
I'm a target.
Noah, can you carry him?
I asked him.
You are going super duper high. Got me some dinner and I'm gonna watch some Harry Potter. We might go see fireworks later. I'm not really sure. We haven't decided. But if we don't go see fireworks, then I guess it's the end of my video. So please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on Twitter, Tumblr, Instagram, anything really, because all my information is everywhere. So just give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all sometime this week. Bye! Okay, what are we gonna do? What are we here for?
What you do with the stupid videos?
Excuse me. What are we here for, Bug?
Fireworks.
Fireworks?
We're doing that shadow. I love the people.
Look at Buggy, you're missing them.
have a competition with them. Right on the little light. I get big horn.
Oh, that's a pretty one.